it does not mean that is one leads to the change in another variable. That is not possible by the correlation, because correlation does not suggest causal relationship. Correlation only gives you the information that the two variables, they are related with each other. But you cannot predict. That means rainfall is related to crop production, but it does not mean that is rainfall is the sole factor for the crop production. Now it is clear. If you have any question, you can ask me. Because other factors are also involved related to the crop production. For example, land fertility, plant care. That means other factors are involved. Therefore, when we want to do the regression, then we should pay attention to the other variables which are supposed to influence the dependent or the predicted variable. Okay. So the predictors.
Sir, what is that, sir? I could not get it, sir. What is that, sir? After data metric in nature, sir. After that, sir?
Yeah. What I have told you, that the amount of crop production,
sir,
is related to the rainfall.
Sir.
Amount of rainfall. Okay. So the amount of crop production and amount of rainfall, these two are metric data. Now it is clear?
Sir.
Okay. But we cannot tell, that is crop amount of crop production depends only the amount of rainfall. Now it is clear?
What is the difference, sir? Both the statements, sir.
Two statements are there.
Sir.
There is a correlation between the amount of rainfall and amount of crop production. Okay.
Sir.
So amount of rainfall may be considered as your independent variable. And the dependent variable is amount of crop production. This is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Does it mean that amount of crop production depends on amount of rainfall only?
No, since sunlight, and you told also the fertilizers, etc., use of that.
Correct. So the answer, if you want to find out the answer, then you have to huh? You have to consider the other factors. Okay, in your model, you have to consider other factors in your model. If you do not use the other factors, then you cannot predict that rainfall leads to the crop production. Now it is clear?
Sir.
Okay. Shweta, it is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Therefore, we have to build up the model. In that model, the dependent variable will be 1 and independent variable will be more than 1.
Sir, how in the model, how should it be, sir?
In our model,
Sir.
the dependent variable or the predicted variables, that will be 1, only one predicted variable. So your outcome factor is only 1.
Sir.
Amount of crop production. Okay.
Sir.
And your predicting variable or predictors will be more than 1. That means amount of rainfall, amount of sunlight, amount of the fertility rate. Okay.
Sir, first one you said it is a dependent variable or a predicted variable, sir.
So what is the dependent variable?
Depending on something else, sir.
No.
Production of crop, that is the dependent variable.
Correct. Crop
And
production
independent
is the
variables,
dependent variable.
and independent variables are the sunlight, amount of sunlight, amount of use of fertilizers, and amount of rains. That.
That is
Yes.
independent variable, sir.
Yes, that is the independent variable, and that can be considered as the predictors.
Sir,
Because
again, I'm
they are
confused,
predicting.
Sir, please, sir, don't mind it, sir.
No.
This
Independent variables and predictors are same. Okay.
independent variable, sir.
Yeah.
Predicted variable, sir.
Predictors.
Okay, sir. Both are same, independent variable and a predicted variable.
Sir, predictor variable, meaning that is, it can predict how much amount of crop we may get.
Sir. And the second one is dependent variable, and what we say, sir? Sir?
Yes.
The second point is what is that, sir? First one is independent variable or a predicted variable, sir. That is a amount of crop production.
Amount of crop production is your dependent variable.
Sorry, again I'm getting confused, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
So the dependent variable will be 1
Sir.
and independent variable will be more than 1.
Sir.
And when you do the regression analysis, then you can find out out of the list of independent variables, which variables predicted maximum the change in the dependent variable. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir. So in regression, we can find out what is that, sir? List
Which
of independent
variable?
variables, sir. Which
Yes.
variable predicted maximum change in the dependent variable?
Okay, so the predictive capacity of your independent variable that can be understood by the regression analysis. Acha, now you tell me, suppose I want to examine the dependent variable is the academic achievement. Okay. And the independent variable is amount of reading. So can you think of any other variable?
Sir, voice is breaking, sir. What you are telling about academic achievement, sir?
Academic achievement is your dependent variable.
Okay, sir.
And your independent variable is the amount of reading.
Yes, sir. So there are more than that. We can calculate the concentration level. If meditation they do, you meditation practice, then that is the concentration level. One you have told, that is the reading habit, and next maybe the writing habit, maybe concentration and attention, that is nearly. Then we can say resilience. Then we can say mm, their socio-economic structure. Uh, then we can say mm, other can try.
Okay. So more than one variables are there. Now you give example from the defense, Anthony.
Pardon, sir?
From the point of view of defense.
Sir.
You give example of independent and dependent variable.
Dependent variable is state of mental health, sir. And independent variable is environment, family backgrounds, barriers in help seeking, and service profiles. These are all independent variable that contribute to the mental health of the military personnel, sir. That is dependent variable.
So which one independent and which one dependent?
Sir, dependent.
Because whatever you have told,
sir,
the same variable.
Sir.
Whenever you are telling the mental health,
sir,
so that covers all your other variables.
But I am measuring
Suppose,
state of mental
suppose
health,
I
sir.
want to find out
Sir.
that is why
Mm-hmm.
some of the defense personnel,
Sir.
they are not coming
Sir.
in time during the parade.
Sir.
Suppose this is my intention is to find out what
Sir.
factors. So attending the parade, attendance in
Sir.
the parade, that
Sir.
will be my dependent variable. So
Sir.
what will be my independent variable?
Sir.
Maybe physical health. Oh, sorry.
Independent
Let
variable must be their state of mental health, sir, or any environmental issue, or heavy training, like that, sir.
mental health is very big word.
Sir.
If you say mental health, that is the very big. You have to specify.
Sir.
Have you seen any people who are late in parade?
Yes, sir. Many people, sir. Many a times I too become late, sir.
So why?
Is it? Really?
Sometime for the sake of question, I say now I am practiced. I never been, but during the training time I have been, because maybe the dresses are not ready for the next parade, or maybe due to the eating times, lesser time given, or maybe some discussion with the family members, or any things are missing going for the parades, like a shoe, the other parade dresses are missing. So like that, these are the problems we faced when attending the parades and those times.
Yeah, so these are your causal factors, right?
Sir.
So these causal factors are called the independent variable.
Sir, voice is very less, sir. What is that, sir?
This is called the causal factor, cause.
Cause and effect, sir.
Yeah. So effect is attending at the parade,
Sir.
and cause is your loss of dress and gossiping with your family, etc., whatever you have told. So these
Sir.
are your independent variable.
So causes are, we can say that independent variable.
Yes.
Effects we can say dependent variable.
Now it is clear to you?
Sir.
And in the regression model, specifically when it is logistic regression, then your dependent variable will be categorical. Okay. That means who attended the parade in time and who did not attend the parade in time. Now it is clear. Two categories are there. Zero means they did not attend the parade in time. And one means they attended the parade in time. for last 5 months or 6 months. Okay. So maybe this is your plan. That means your dependent variable is categorical in nature. So when your dependent variable will be categorical in nature, then you cannot use the simple regression. Then you have
Sir,
to
your
use,
voice is going up and down, sir. I do not know why.
okay. Now my voice okay?
Yes, sir. It's good, sir.
Okay.
স্যার এটা একটু রিপিট করবেন ক্যাটাগরিক্যাল ব্যাপারটা।
হ্যাঁ দাঁড়া। হ্যাঁ কি হলো বলো। হুম। হুম। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে আমি তবে নেক্সট উইকে করে দিচ্ছি। তুমি তো বললে ডিসেম্বরে চলে যাবে। তুমি বললে না ডিসেম্বরে কোথায় বেড়াতে যাবে। ও আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে তুমি আমাকে একটু হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ করে দাও কোন সময় তোমার সুবিধা হবে আমি ফাড়াকে বলে দিচ্ছি। ঠিক আছে। আচ্ছা হু ইজ আইফোন?
Sir, myself only, sir. I'm moving to mess, sir, because no, I keep on shifting places, no.
আচ্ছা
So
আচ্ছা
mess timing is 7:30 to 8:30, sir.
ওকে
So
ওকে
I have shut down my laptop. I have joined through mobile.
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ওকে ওকে। হ্যাঁ categorical variable means 0 1 and metric means 1 1.1 1.2 1.3 1.4 or 1 2 3 4 5 6 score. That will be the metric. And the non-metric or categorical, that will be the 0 1. Male 1, female 2, like that.
ওকে স্যার।
So that will variable. Now I want to find out, that is the mathematics examination score and practice of mathematics. So is there any correlation between the two? Then,
ইয়েস স্যার।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ কি বলছো সমু? Yes. হ্যাঁ সমু?
হ্যাঁ, yes, positively correlated, but other factors should be
Considered. Yeah,
considered.
correct. So now we can classify the students into two categories. That is students who fail in the examination of mathematics and who passed in the examination. So who passed means they will get 1, and who failed means they will get 0. So the dependent variable will be 1, 0 type. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
And mathematics practice, that is your independent variable, as well as the guidance at home, that will be your independent variable. So like that, there are several independent variables, and socioeconomic status that may be considered as the independent variable. So these are the independent variables, and the dependent variable is 0, 1 type. Okay. I think now it is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir. Till that.
Okay. So we can make this probability that there will be more than 50% chance for pass in the examination if individual regularly practice math. Okay.
Yes.
And less than 50% probability is that who are not practicing math. So we can make the reference point, that is the 50%. Okay. So if we make one curve, then the x-axis will be, what will be the x-axis? Amount of reading or amount of practicing math. And what will be in the y-axis? That is probability for passing the examination in math. Now you imagine S curve. Okay, Shita has S, Shoma has S. So you just follow S curve, and there you can find out that the below line, that is the 0, and the top line, that will be the 1, and the middle point, that is the 50%. Now it is clear? Or if you
Yes, sir.
have any question, you can ask me. This is a very simple.
S should be written as that is in the landscape mode then.
Yeah,
Normal curve.
not the normal curve. It is called the ROC curve.
Okay, sir.
ROC curve is very, very important in artificial intelligence, in machine learning. ROC curve is important. Now, AI can understand your word based upon the machine learning, and the machine learning depends upon the ROC curve.
First time I'm getting, sir. And ROC curve, yes, like that. তীর ধনুকের মতন বাঁকা দেখছি।
It is called the receiver operating characteristics.
Fantastic, yes.
ROC curve in logistic regression. For example, you want to purchase some soap, okay? Or you want to purchase some cakes. And in the shop, you will find there are different types of cakes. Some cakes are fruit cake, some cakes are cream cake. So what is the probability for the customer to purchase cream cake or to purchase the fruit cake? Okay. So that will be considered as the dependent variable. So your purchase decision, that is your dependent variable. Now it is clear, or any question?
স্যার আরেকটা এক্সাম্পল।
তোমার লাইনে, in your area, what
Yes.
is the probability for passing in the math? And what is the probability for failure in math? So that will be considered.
Okay.
In defense, what is the probability for the person to get some special status? Because in defense, you will find several special status is there. So what is the probability to get that status? Okay. Now I am showing you, these are the receiver operating characteristics, ROC curve. This is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
So the below is 0 and this is the 1. Okay. And this is your independent variable. So 1 unit of change, how much unit of change will be there in your ROC curve, in your regression line? That can be understood. So this is the middle point, 0.5. That is 50% probability is there. Anthony, it is clear now? Shetha, is it clear? Or if you have any question, you can ask me.
No, sir, clear, sir.
Okay.
Clear, sir.
Okay, thank you. I am happy because I am very much worried that is whether it will be clear to you or not. Finally, you have understood. Okay, so now I want to close this session. Acha, Farah, tomorrow there will be no class na, for so I am closing this session.